All right, hey guys, it has been forever since I've made a video to post on here, but I'm super excited because I have something really fun to share with you. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Kendra Vadney. I'm a Black Status presenter with Unique, and I am here to talk to you about a push-up bra for your lips. For reals. I know. What is she talking about? You guys, we just launched 5 colors of Hottie Lip Plumper. So everybody loves a good lip plumper, right? I mean, we all go out and search for the one thing that is going to take away those little fine lines around our lips, not let us look like we've got old lips and like we've smoked for years. And this is it. I am so excited. We have had a lip plumper for a while. We've had this Hottie that has come in and out of our product line for quite some time. We brought it in, it sold out like crazy, brought it back in, sold out again. And now we have launched 5 colors as well as the original clear translucent Hottie Lip Plumper. Now our lip plumpers are made with peppermint oil and a couple of collagen products that help increase blood flow to your lips and help plump them up and reduce those fine lines around the lips that make us look like we have aged. So without further ado, I'm going to show you these colors, you guys. You're going to want to see them, and I'm just going to do it all at once. I'm not going to make a fancy video. We're just going to do these, and I'm going to show you how great they are because I am obsessed with them. Just got them all in, tried all the colors, and loving them. All of the colors, look at the packaging on these. Look at the cute little lips on the top and the names here. This one is called, we're doing it upside down. This one is called Renee Rochelle. The cool thing about this is all 5 of these are named after presenters within Unique, and this one's kind of cool because this gal is on my team. Kind of love it. This happens to be my favorite color. This is our pink, Renee Rochelle. It's kind of a bubblegum pink. It's got a little bit of a sparkle to it, so we're going to start with that because it's my favorite. So just like a lip gloss, this is going to go on, and you can see how my lips look now, and by the time I'm done and I've put on all 5 of these, you guys are going to see a difference in the plumpness of my lips. So check this out. So look at this color. Beautiful amount of pigment in these. Instantly you can feel the little peppermint oil in there. Now if you can see that, the shimmer that is in this is the only one that actually has a shimmer in it. And I love, it almost looks metallic. It's so, so pretty. This is Renee Rochelle. This is pink. These products are each $26 and you are going to love them. Trust me. Look at that color. Look how pretty that is, right? All right, we're gonna move on. If you have questions, I want you to post them below. I watch this all the time and I promise you I will answer them. I'm also gonna post my link so you can go and check them out. We're going to get this off. And move on to the next color. Let me powder it up. And we're going to move on to a nude. This color is called Chandelle. This is a light nude color. Look at, so you can see the color of the lips. Tells you exactly what it is. No brainer right there. We're going to take this one, and this is a light, it's just a light brown in a sense, but a nude brown. Love this. So I am very much a fan of nude lips. If you have ever tried our products before, we have a well-to-do lipstick, Opulence lipstick, that is absolutely gorgeous, a total nude, beautiful over any other color or on its own, as well as some of the splurge liquid lipsticks that we have in Stellar and Sublime. My favorite colors. So this one is going to be my go-to lip plumper. Seriously. How pretty is that? Right? Love that. So that is Chandelle, the light nude. Let's go ahead and remove that. Stick with me, you guys. I promise you're gonna want to see these. Okay, dry that off. Now we're gonna go to a little bit of a nuttier brown, still kind of a nude, but a little bit more brown. This one is called Halle Megan. Sorry, Halle Megan. So see the color on that? It's a little bit darker. I don't know, the lighting in here has that one looking a little difficult, but let's go ahead and try that. See, look at this. It's so pretty. Okay, look at that. So it has just enough pigment in it to coat the lips, give it a bit of color, but still is semi-translucent. So you still can see your natural lips underneath it. So it's not like you're putting a hard color on. So if you prefer lip glosses, or if you want to put this over a lipstick, or if you want to put this over something, you can totally do that. These products are absolutely, they have plenty of pigmentation to them, but again, a little bit translucent so you can see your lips. They're not sticky, they're not tacky. They don't, you know, sometimes when you use a lip gloss and you pull your lips apart, there's still product going back and forth. Not this. This stuff feels amazing on your lips. So that one, you guys, Hallie Megan. Yes, Hallie Megan. It's a nuttier brown. Gorgeous. Next, we're gonna move and do a little bit more of a mauve. So if you like a pink purple that moves into a mauve color, you're gonna love this one. The next one is called Jena, and you can see the lips on the case of the Jena. I love the packaging of these. They just feel like a really good, solid, high quality product. So excited about this. And if you want any information on this and you want to know what's in it, when you go to my website and you go to look these up, there is a fact sheet about all of our products, so you can look it up. You can know everything there is about it. These also are gluten-free. So if anybody has a problem with gluten, totally got you covered. So let's try the Jena. This is one of my favorites as well. Just enough pigment to really make your lips pop. I can feel the tingling in my lips. I can feel the fullness in my lips. The increased blood flow. It's just filling up those lips. Is so exciting. Look at that color. Seriously, there's not a bad one in the bunch, you guys. That is Jena. A little bit of a mauve pink. Beautiful tone. Easy to wear with anything. They just feel so great on the lips. I got them the other day and I seriously just keep reapplying because I'm kind of obsessed with it. Last one. This is Keesha. This is more like a coral red. I'd say a little more on the coral side. Again, got some translucence to it, so you're not putting on this hard red, but it gives enough pigment that you really see it. So look at this color. So pretty. Look at that color. It just slides right on. Easy applicator. And look at that color. This is Keesha. Gorgeous, right? All right, you guys, seriously, look at the difference in the video from before to the end. And look at the little push-up bra effect I have going on with this lip. I have a pretty small upper lip, so this really helps pop it out. But look at that bottom lip, you guys. These are $26. Sorry, $26, 5 different colors, 5 different pigmented colors, 1 translucent that has no color in it. So you can grab this one as well. Any of the 6. Are on my website, and if you want a really good deal and you're watching this during July, we have a great kudos going on right now where you can get one of the Hottie Lip Plumpers, the color of your choice. You can get our Epic mascara, because if you know Unique, you know our mascara. Epic is literally that. It is freaking epic. You're gonna want that, and then one of our Splurge cream shadows. Not your grandma's cream shadows. This cream shadow goes on like a cream, dries to a powder, blends like a dream. Today I'm wearing Rapturous, which is a purple, and then I have it blended in with kind of an orange pressed powder of ours. One of them called Gingerly, which is one of my favorite eyes. Can't speak. All right, you guys, I'm going to post my link. I want you to check them out. If you have any questions, then let me know. I will watch this, or you can email me at kendra.vadney@gmail.com, and I will get back to you. Or find me on Facebook, you guys. Kendra Anderson Vadney. Follow me. All right, have a great day. I'll be back with more.